If you've ever wanted to watch YouTube while replying to messages or want to access some other apps, this feature is the perfect solution for you. So please watch the video. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Webserve Global, where we bring you easy and creative tips to level up your professional and personal skills. So let's get started. Today, I will show you an amazing hidden feature on your Android phone that can totally level up your multitasking process. It's called split screen mode. And guess what? Most people don't even know it exists. So grab your phone and let's dive in. Alright, here's how you can use split screen mode. Open the YouTube app and search for anything you want to watch. Let's choose Kapil Sharma Show. Next tab on Recent Apps, option the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom of the screen. Now here tab on the top of the YouTube app and select Split Screen option, and immediately YouTube app will be open at the upper side of the screen. From the bottom part of the screen, you will able to access all the application you have in your mobile. Here let's tab on the Yahoo Mail icon to access the inbox or anything. If you want to access any other app, you are free to do so. Now, here's the cool part. You can resize the split by dragging the divider line up or down to give more space to the app you want to focus on. Additionally, you can rotate the split screen by enabling the auto-rotate mode in your settings. Pretty simple, right? This is such a handy feature for staying productive or just keeping your entertainment going while you get stuff done. Try it out and let me know in the comments how you're using split screen mode. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.